Welcome to my bake shop. This is my miniature bake shop. And in honor of Earth Day, I thought I would show some things that have been repurposed. First, I thought I would show you the table. You can see the teapot is on it. When you turn it over, you'll notice there is packing material that's glued to a top to a milk container. And the fabric is fabric I repurposed from leftover fabric from quilts I made for our grandchildren. The chair was just a plain, rough basswood chair, painted and decoupaged. And now we have some cookies. These are cookies that I made. They're very tiny. And if you'll notice, if this looks familiar, it's actually tubing from an aquarium. Sorry, my voice is not the best. And this is polymer clay, giant cupcakes. These were for Valentine's Day. Very important, right? We need to celebrate just like we need to celebrate today. And this is a little teddy bear made from crocheted from DMC floss. He had to join the tea party. And in the back you will see I have candy bars and fruit made from polymer clay and cakes and pies made from polymer clay. And you'll see here's a cake with a slice. Let's see if I can get the slice out. That a friend made from polymer clay. She was the miniature group. Then you have your bowl of candy, polymer clay, a polymer clay bowl here. And this was a gift from one of my friends from the miniature group. So we have a lot of neat things that we've done in the guild. And another friend made the candy. Honora made the candy for us. So I'm appreciative of all my friends in the guild. And I thought this would be a nice way to celebrate, especially right after Easter. Hope you enjoyed.